If you want to try my grandma's pasta salad recipe that empties the bowl every single time, y'all, come with me. Okay, hey guys, Auntie, it's been so long. So you're going to start with your chicken bouillon. You got to season your water because you do not want your noodles nasty. Then you're going to get your tricolor rotini. Got to put that up in there too. You already know. Whee! Get rid of that. Anyway, all right, y'all. So we're going to put the noodles in the bowl. But let's just take a pause real quick. Please put your noodles in the refrigerator before you do any of these next steps. Put it in the refrigerator till it is dried out and cold. Okay, thank ya. So you got your olives, then your favorite auntie. Thank ya. You gotta season it. You already know. And then you have your chef's kiss. Of course, we love her. Clock it. Yes. Then you have your cucumbers, English cucumbers. Thank you. And then you have your red onion. Ooh, yeah. And then you have your tomatoes, your tricolor tomatoes. Yes, and then you have your Italian seasoning. You cannot forget that. We love the Italian seasoning. Shake, 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 shake. You have your Italian Olive Garden dressing. Most important dressing you need. Most important. You have your creamy Italian ranch as well. You already know what it is, what it ain't. Thank ya. Had to go grab some gloves because, your girl just want to put her hands in it. We're not even using a spoon today. We're gonna get our hands messy with it. You already know. We're gonna mix all of that together real well and juicy. Get it all mixed up. You already know what it is. Yeah, guys. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it cool. And now we're back. Okay, great. I'm mixing it again because I put it in the refrigerator. And, once you put the pasta salad in the refrigerator, the dressing absorbs into the noodles. So I'm just giving it all a good mix and a good stir up. Add any more dressings as needed. Same dressings, but add as much more as you would like. So your pasta salad is not dry or nothing. You already know. And now we're cleaning our bowl. You got to wipe the edges off. Make sure presentation always looks good. Even if you're making it for yourself, you don't let it look nice. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know y'all see that good looking pasta salad. Yes, came out so tea. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know what it is. Bliss in the kitchen back. Bye.